Okay, so at this stage, we are ready to generate our plan and profile. The template is ready. We are going to generate our plan and profile. Please, can we continue?
So ours is telling us template option.
Template options. What options? What is there?
When we do the save as. Template options.
Where does it come?
Saves all layers.
Oh, okay. Please, can we continue? Okay, so we are going to generate our plan and profile. Are we okay? Very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So please go to view. Go to output. Go to output. Are we at output? Please, are we at output? Then the first button, can you see something called create view frames? Please select create view frames. So you have this. Do you have, please look up, do we all have this?
Yes.
So you select the alignment you are going to work with. The alignment we are working on is the first one, ACC Kumasi Road. So we'll leave it as it is. Are we okay? Then go to next. Have you gone to next? Please, have you gone to next?
Yes.
Do you see something say template for plan and profile sheet? Please, have you look, template for plan and profile sheet. So click on this button and go and select that template. So you come here, please see. Come and click on this one also and go and select the template that you just saved. You know the name and you know where you saved it. Mine is here. GHIA SPP template. So I click on it, open. Then okay. Please, have been able to do it. I'm saying that it's a template for plan and profile sheet. Click on this button. Then you go and you also come and click on this button and go and select where you save that file, that template file. Then when you finish, you come here and okay, and you have this one. Please, are we all here?
Yes.
Okay, if we are all here, then go next. Have we gone to next?
Yes.
So then go next again. Are we here? Are we at the match line area? Match lines, are we there?
Yes.
Then please look at mine. The left label location, it doesn't matter, you can put it anywhere, but I normally prefer middle. See, so please watch mine. I change this one to middle, this one also to middle. Please, are you there?
Yes.
No, are you there? Oh, it means you are not looking up. Please look up and you'll never be lost. Look up. Please, are you down here? Are you here? Yes, but I don't see any computer in front of you. Okay, please, are we here? Are you here now? Look, this is by you. Do you have this window? Create view frame match lines. Do you have this? So where are you now? Have you selected the template?
Yeah.
So I say go next and come to match lines here. Look at mine, please. Look at mine. You see that here, match line. You should be here. That's where we are. Are you there? Go next and you come there. And I'm saying that the left label location, you can decide, but I normally prefer middle. Change it. Please look up. Change it to middle. Change this one also to middle. The left and right. Change both to middle. Please, are we finished? If you are finished, go to next. Have you selected next? Please, have we gone next? Then select create view frames. Select create view frames and you should have something like this. You should have maybe 2 rectangular boxes or something depending on the length of your road. And you have a match line at 0 plus 800. Who is not having it? Very simple. Who is not having it, please? Do you have it? Okay, so we can continue. So don't worry about this warning sign. We can turn it off, but okay. Let me show you how to turn it off. Please, can we continue? Yes. This warning sign, who is not having it? You don't have the warning sign on yours. You have it.
We have it.
Please, you said, have you been able to generate the view frames? Do you have the 2 rectangular boxes? You don't have it at all. So what? Oh. Please, I'm going to repeat the. Do you have it now? Please, do you have it? What about the man by you? You have it? Oh, you zoom out, zoom out. Many rectangles. How many? So it depends on the length of your road. It's 800, 800. So maybe you have continued beyond 800. So, see, yours, maybe you did something wrong somewhere. Please, 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 I'm going to repeat. So those who had it wrong, please delete or undo to the point where you had nothing. Please, let's quickly, because this one is very, very simple. Create view frames, undo. So I'm back to the beginning. But please, were you able to, the template that I told you to resave as something, were we all able to do it? Yes. If you were able to do it, then you should not have any problem. Please, I'm repeating. Those who had the challenge, I said go to output, then go to create view frames. If you are in doubt, please look up and see where I am. I'm saying alignment. Maybe you selected the wrong alignment. Look at this alignment. Make sure that it is the alignment you are looking for. So you can click the drop down and select if you know the name, or come and select this. Look at, you can come and select this this button. Then you can go and select the alignment from the drawing. Do you understand? You can come and select the alignment from the drawing. Please, are we all here? Those who could not do it, are you here? Yes. What is the start station? What's the start station value you have there? And what's the end? Okay, so go to next. Please, are we all next? Then I'm saying that the template for plan and profile sheet, click on this button. Click on it. Then the drawing template file name, click on this other button. And go and select that template that you saved as something. Mine is located at here, the template folder. S&D template. Hey, I say S&D template. That's not it. It's a PP template. This one. Then this is already selected for me. Okay. So you should be here. Please, are you here now? Yes. Okay, so go next. Don't change anything here. Go next. Don't change anything here. I said what you have to change is this left label location. Change it to middle. The right also to middle. Please, have we done it? Yes. Then go next. Then create view frames. You should not have a problem. If you still have a problem, then we'll continue later. We'll attend to you. Has it come now? Yeah. Please, has yours come, my sister? Still? Or you've given up? Oh, sorry. Okay, but you should try. Let him, my brother, please assist him if you can. Or, can't you see? Or you can copy someone's and continue. Please, can we continue? Yes. Okay, now we have our view frames created for us. The next thing we have to do is what? Create sheets. We are now going to create the sheets. Do you understand? So please, if you are back, come here. Create sheets. Select create sheets. Have we selected create sheets? Then a window will come. So you cannot create sheet if you have not created a view frame group. Do you understand? So the view frame group, for now we only have one view frame group. It's what? VF something. Have you seen it? Yes. Good. So that is it. Then please look at what I have here. Everything, I leave everything as it is. I've already done the setting. Then go next. Are we all here? Please, are we all here? Amma, are you here? Okay. Then next. Please, are we all here at the profile views? Please, are we all here? Dominic, are you here? You're almost there. So where are you? Or you? Okay. Okay, so can we continue? Okay, let's continue. So now when you come here, can you see something called choose settings? Please, can you see something called choose settings? Have you seen it? Open it or click on it. Then you see profile view wizard will open for you. Profile view wizard is now active. Please select that one. Has it come? Then go to next. Have you clicked on next? Please watch what I'm doing now. Okay, watch and do. You see the profiles, the first one and the second. We are going to work with the second one. That is the finished. Now go here and you see that the labels, under the labels column, it is none. Have you seen it? Please, have you seen it on yours? Please click on the none and change it from none to new S&D. Here, the second one, the labels, under the labels column. Change it from none to new S&D, please. Please, have you done it? Yes. If you have finished, please click on next. Yes. Just scroll, look, please look up, see. You have to scroll, scroll to the left. And you see labels. Have you seen it? Then change this one from none to new S&D. Please, have we finished? The down one. Yes, the down one. Not, yes, I said change it to new S&D. Have you done it? Amma, you've done it? Almost. Then go to next. Then next, let's all be here. Please, are we all here? Please, are we all here? What I want you to do for me that the profile one, change all the profile ones to the finished level. All the profile ones to finish level, something finish level. The ones that will change, some may not be active. Change only the ones that are active. So change everything to finish level under profile one. Please look up if you are in doubt. Look up and see what I have just done. We are here. For column profile one, change everything to finish level. Have you done it? Yes. Those are the back. Yes. Dominic and his team. Yes. Okay. The ones that are inactive, forget about them. So if you are finished, please press next again, and finish. Then to bring you back here. Please, are you back here? Then you see the last one. There are three options. Align views. Either align profile and profile view as start, align profile and plan view as center, or align profile and plan view at end. I normally prefer the middle one at the center. Why? Why the middle? So that the both will be centered, because sometimes depending on how your alignment is looking like, if you don't use the middle, you see that the profile will be, because you see that the profile part may go off your paper. So if you use center, it's just like if you are typing the text and you justify, everything comes to the middle. So the profile is at the middle, the plan is also at the middle. Please, are we okay? So we align both as center. Please, have we done it? Then please press create sheet. Something will come. What has come? Please press OK. What has come? When you press OK, I'm sure we are familiar with what it means by select profile view origin. It is going to draw another profile. So please come and select somewhere outside where it will not interfere with anything, like mine. Look at mine, please. I'm coming to paste, draw mine here. So I click here and the profiles will come. And be watching down there, and you see that some new tabs are being created for me. If anything, I'm just OK and just cancel or whatever. Check. Has something come? Where? Please, has something come like this? Who is having something like this? If it's not coming very well, just regenerate. Regenerate and it will come in full. Regenerate, RE, then it will come. Please, do we have it, Amma? So who is not having this? And look down there, you see that the tabs, you have two new tabs added with station 0 to 800 and 800 to something. Yes. Have you seen it? Yes. Good. So the two are the sheets that have been created for us. Please, are we okay? Okay. Now let's turn off this warning sign there. The one on the profile. Click on it and you have horizontal changes. Let's dismiss all notifications and to go. So we have our, so I want you to please, any problem? I'm saying that when you click on that yellow on the profile, you see horizontal changes. Click on the drop down and you select dismiss all notifications or dismiss all something. Please, I've been able to do it. Even if you've not been able to, don't worry. When you print, it will not show, so don't worry. So I want you to open the layout 0 to 800 and let's see how it looks like. 0 to 800. 0 to 800. You have it something like this. Please, do you have it something like this?
Yes.
Please, do you have something like this?
Yes.
Oh. Do you have something like this? Amma. Go to layout 1. I mean the 0 to 800. You should have something like this. It may not be very perfect, but you have something like this. You have it. Please, do we have something like this?
Yeah.
And you see that the north also has oriented based on the rotation. Please, are you okay? You can also look at the second one and see how it looks like. 800 to 1. You see that one is small. Please, have you seen the last one? Please open the last one. Have you seen the last one? You see the last one, because we have specified use the center. It has used the center, but this man also is showing the previous one. We don't want that one to show. So you come here and reduce the view port so that side will not show. Are we okay? Let me do it again. I'm saying when you go to the last sheet, you have this, because we use the center, we pick center. This, but both have come to the center. So you have this one, the excess of it showing. So I click on this, the view, the blue, referring to the profile view, and I reduce it, I bring it down here. Please, are we okay? Please, are we okay? Amma, successful? Okay. Those in front, successful? Very good. Okay. So this is where we are now. We are left with about 12 minutes. Let's try and see if we can finish in 12 minutes. Please, are we finished? Now you have to explore. As I said, practice makes perfect. So you have to practice and just explore. Options will be, what does this do? Try and see what will happen. Please, are we okay? So let's go back to model. Please, let's go back to model. Are we back to model? Please, are we back to model? There's something I almost forgot. You know, when you create your alignment, you may want some details for the curve. You may want to know what the curve radius, the intersection point, the, how do you call it, the coordinates, and some other information about the horizontal curve. Please, are we okay? So we want to show that information. So please watch. If you can do it, fine. If you cannot do it, you can play back the video and you'll be able to do it. First of all, I select the alignment. I select the alignment, or I can also go to annotate. Select the alignment, or let's go to annotate. Annotate. Annotate what? I'm going to annotate alignment. And what am I going to annotate? Point of intersection. Multiple point of intersection. Please, are you watching? I go to annotate. Then I come here, add labels. I click on the top one. Feature is alignment. Feature is alignment. Then the label types, I'm going to use the last one, multiple point of intersection. Then add. I press add. When I press add, it is asking me select alignment. Then I go and select the alignment. If you select the alignment, you see some boxes, IP boxes coming at where you have an intersection. Where you have, who has been able to do it? The alignment is the red and whatever, the cyan one, the red. If you select the alignment, you select it once, you see that you have some boxes appearing. Where you have an intersection point, you have a box appearing. Please, who is not having it? Do you have it? You click on it, don't worry, it will see it. Click and you just click and move, zoom out, you see it. If not, you do it multiple times. Go to wherever you have a curve and you should see something coming. Amma, do you have it? Oh, please, who is having it? Dominic, you have it. Those in front, please, you have it. Okay, so we can continue. You go back, play back the video, and you'll be able to do it. So now let me go back to 0 to 800. I go back to 0 to 800. So open 0 to 800. Please, are you watching? Open layout 0 to 800. 0 to 0 plus 800. You see where my IP box is. Please, if you cannot do it, you just look up. Look up. I'm able to do it now. So I'm saying that go to layout 0 to 0 plus 800. And let's see what you have. You have something like this. Do you have something like this? You see that the IP box is interfering or is on the road. It ought not to be there, ought to be somewhere out. Please, are you seeing it? So double click and go to the viewport or the view. Yes, double click. When double click, see that it will be highlighted blue. Double click anywhere inside here to be highlighted blue. Has it highlighted blue? Then go and select the IP box and move it. See, when I select the IP box, I can move it wherever I want it to be. Please, have you done it? Am I able to do it? Okay, those in front, successful. Dominic, very simple. So you just select and decide where you want it to be. If you are done, you come and double click outside. You double click outside, then you see that you'll be out of the viewport. Please, can we continue?
Yes.
So now we've been able to create our plan and profile. The rest is just drafting. At this stage, it is drafting. So you have to look at it and see if you want to add something, a legend or whatever, that you have to do it. Please, are you okay? Yes. So it means that the civil engineer, he will end his work at designing the plan and profile. And if the draftman has been trained, if I say design the plan and profile, he will not do this create view frame and all that things. He will not do it. Do you understand? If you have an organization, the civil engineer, his work will end. The designer, his end will just end at designing the plan, the corridor, everything, doing the sample lines, everything, reporting everything. Then he will just hand it over to the draftman to do the plan and profile, making sure that it's well arranged and all that, doing some editing at the title block and all those things. Please, are we okay? So our work as engineers has ended. Then the next thing is draftman. If you are the same person, the civil engineer, to do the draftman, then you are to do all these work. Please, can we continue? Please, can we continue? Okay, if we can continue, let's go back to model. Let's go back to model. Are we back to model? Please, are we back to model? Now we are going to generate our cross sections. We are going to generate our cross sections. We are almost through. Please, we are going to generate our cross sections. Please, can I continue? We are going to generate our detailed cross sections at intervals of say 25. Please, can I continue?
Yes.
At intervals of 25. But because of the layout and the scale that I've given to the layout for the how do you call it, the section, I've used a paper size of A0. So what we are going to do, and the plan scale of that one is also 1:100. So what I want you to please do for me is that go to settings. Are you at settings? Go to settings. We are going to change the plan settings to 1:100. Go to settings, please. Are you there?
Yeah.
Then right click on the file name. Mine is GHIE. Right click and edit drawing settings. Have you done it? Edit drawing settings. Please, are you there? Change 2500 to 100. Please. Change the custom scale from 2500 to 100. 2500 to 100. Please, have you done it? When you finish, I can't say. Press OK. I'm saying, my breath. Press OK. But no, I'm tired because I have to hurry up. You see, I'm running faster than normal. So that is what will happen. So, when you finish, you press OK. Have you pressed OK? When you press OK, you see that something has happened. Your drawing has changed some way, somehow. Have you seen that it has changed? Look at mine. It is smaller because of the plan scale, but don't worry. Don't worry about the plan scale. Please, are you okay? Please, are we okay? Now I want you to zoom out so that you have your drawing and everything smaller somehow, because what we are going to draw will be big and it can interfere with the plan and profile. So zoom out so that you can have your drawing somewhere, your plan and profile very small like mine. We are going to create a cross section somewhere here. Please, are we okay? If you are okay, please go back to home. Go home. Are we at home? Home. Go click the home button. Click the home button. Have we done it?
Yes.
Do you see down here something called session views?
Yes.
Under profile and session view. Have you seen session views?
Yes.
Click the drop down. Do you see create multiple views?
Yes.
Session view, the drop down.
Yes.
Go to home. Amma, are you home? Session views. Click on it and select create multiple views. Dominic, please, are you there?
Yes.
So select create multiple views. Please, have you selected? If you select, something like this will come. Has it come? Then you press next. So we are at section place, and please, are you here? And you see something called template for cross section sheet. Have you seen it? Also click on that button, and just like we did for the plan and profile, you go and select that template that you created. Mine is called PP template. So I go and select, search for it. So go and select, and you are back here. Please, if you are lost, look at mine. Please, I'm saying that, where did you get lost? Please, you are saying that we should close at 3. So where did you get lost? So you, please, who is lost again? This one. I'm saying that template for cross section sheet. You press this button. See. When you select create multiple view, it will first be a general here. Are you here?
We click and nothing.
Oh, see, please watch. See. Please watch, look up and see. Session views. Create multiple views, select that one, and a window will open for you. How? How? If no window, if nothing is opening, then maybe you don't have sample lines. You did not create. That is why, see, you need a sample line group. So you did not create a sample line, you can't do this. That's why we did all that at the beginning. So sample line group name, you select the alignment and the sample line group name. So you go next and go and select the template. Have you all selected our template? Yes. Please, have we all selected the template? We are almost through. We've almost finished. We're almost there. Please, have you selected the template? Then okay, and it will bring you back here. Please, are you here? So go next. And this will come. Please look at mine. I'll be waiting for you to look at mine. So if you are here, then go next again. This will come. Please, are you here? Then please look at some. You can leave everything as it is, but I normally change this, the height, user specified. I normally use 10, but you can decide. You can leave it to default. I'm not saying it should always be 10. I'm using 10 because I know that normally, average with what I'm doing, I'm not going to have any cut or fill more than 10. You understand? So you can come back. You don't worry. So user specified, I leave this at 10 and follow a section. I also leave it at where it is. Then go to next. Please, are you here? Are you here? So if you are here, now for the section, what are we going to draw? We want to draw almost every one of these. Please look at the section. What are we drawing? We want to see the detail, the ground. Is that not it? The corridor, the two corridors. Then what again? We don't want to see the surface. So the corridor surface, turn the corridor surface off. And the network 1 and 2, turn them off. Please, are you okay? So we are only left with DTM, corridor number something, ACC Kumasi Road corridor. Just these 3. Please, are we okay? Yes. Turn off the rest. Turn off the corridor surface and network 1 and 2. Please look at mine. Please look at mine. You see, if it is a corridor, you see that the icon is different. It is square. If it is a surface, you see that it is something like a is it pyramid or whatever they call it. So we are so the DTM will be on. Then the corridors, the ones that are square, will be off on. Then the corridor surfaces will be off, and the network 1 and 2 off. Then go to next. Are you at next? Then please do something for me. Do you see surface 1, surface 2? I want you to change the surface 1. Change the surface 1 to the last one. Corridor. Accra Kumasi corridor surface. Change that one to Accra Kumasi corridor surface. Have you done it? It's what? Because that you have EGL and what? Okay, so that is what you selected. That is So I don't know. I've updated this template. I don't know if I did it in the old one, the one we are using. But I'm saying that the first one, select the Kumasi whatever corridor, and the second one, select the EGL corridor surface 2. Select the how do you call it? The EGL or DTM, whatever yours is. The corridor. Then surface 2 is the DTM or EGL. If it comes and there's a problem, we'll reverse it. Please, are we okay? If you are finished, you press create session views. Have you click create session views? All three. Yes, all the surface 1, surface 2. For all surface, everything under column surface 1 and everything under column surface 2, you do the same thing. Please, are we all here? So if you are here, it is waiting for you to, just like we do for the profile view. Where do I want my sessions to start from? So I come and click somewhere here. So I click. Then you see some yellow rectangular boxes will be created for me. It may be small, but you can zoom in and you see how it looks like. Zoom it in. It will be very small, but zoom in to see it. Have you zoomed in? Please zoom in and you see it. Please zoom in and you see it. Have you zoomed in? So you have something. Depending on the cross section that you did, it may be different from mine. Please, do you see it? So at least we appreciate what it can do. Please, do we appreciate what we are seeing? Amma, has yours come? Has yours come? Okay, now I want you to please confirm something for me. But I want you to confirm, when you zoom in, what do you have here? Is it design level? The top here, what is there? Is it design level? Design? No, I mean the box, the band. I want to know the band here. The band here, what is at the top? No, I want yours.
Mine is offset.
Okay, yours is offset. Okay, so it means that I've updated this template. So before we close, just remind me, so I give you the updated one. Okay, I did some corrections on it. Okay, so you don't worry about how it is coming. You understand the principle. So yours is an older version. I've not in that folder. When I updated that, I didn't copy it into it. So I will give you what I've done. So you see that yours, you may not see it. You see that what you have done, it is at some regular intervals. Yours, the offset, what are the intervals? Is it 3.5 or 5? The intervals of the offset? 5. But you see what I have done, the intervals are based on what? The road, the cross section. So at the road at 3.5, everything is there. Please, are you okay? So if you're able to do it, you know how it is done. So I said when we close, I will give you what I have. If it is empty, it means that there is no information there. There is no data, there is no ground, so it will be empty. Because we have specified it based on a surface. So if that surface is not there, nothing will come. Please, do you understand?
Yes.
So we can do it. So I'm saying that when we close, I'll give you the template that I've used for this. And also, I will save all that I've done, then you can also go and explore. Please, can I continue?
Yes.
Now we are going to generate the sheet, the cross-section sheet. Very simple, just like how we did for the plan and profile. You go to output, is that not it? You go to output, then create session sheet. Select create session sheet. Then this will come. Please, has it come? You see that the alignment is there, the line group, sample line group, and the session view group, they are all there. So you specify the one that you want, then you select create. This one is very simple. You don't go next. Once you come here, you just press create session sheet. Okay, and it will come. It will be added to here, to the layout tabs. Who was successful? Who was successful? Very simple. Yes. Then just click on OK or the create sheet button. Has it come? It's loading. Mine has come. Please, has yours come? Okay, when it's finished, you may not see it here because of maybe how you've done yourself. But if you go to the last tab, the last layout, you see a drop down which allows you to view what is before, what is after. Have you seen it? It is called session sheet something. Please, do you have it?
100%.
Yes, somewhere here. See, look at where my cursor is. Who has it? You have it. So open any of them and see how it looks like. Open any of them and you see it. Okay. You see how it looks like. Neatly done there for you. Pardon? Create. Yes, you can print. You when we finish printing there, as I said, what we are doing is drafting. So you can print. I will show you how to print. Very simple. And see it. Oh, you will print to PDF. Okay. When we finish. So now we are finished with what? All our print out. Let's quickly do the volumes and the report, then we finish. Are we okay? Okay. So now we can create our plan and profile. We can also do what? Create our sessions and the session sheet. The last thing is just the generating of report. Let me save this one.